Assalamu alaikum, मैं हूँ Mujahid from Naveed game. Today we have Formula 1 2022 in all platform PS5, Xbox Series X, PS4. It's available in PS4, Xbox Series X and PS5. Formula 1 2022 is a racing video game developed by Codemaster and published by EA Sports. It's the 15th entry in the Formula 1 series by Codemaster. The game holds on official license of 2022 Formula 1. Mode multiplayer video game. Developer Codemaster. Series Formula 1. Now it's available at Naveed Games in all platforms. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games, which is located in Karkhano, Peshawar. Location is also mentioned in description. हमारी डिलीवरी भी अवेलेबल है ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान. थैंक यू. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.